PR babysitter, dashboard updater, log reader. Anthropic just named 3 jobs. Claude Code now kills in the title of their own video. Stop babysitting your agents. In 4 minutes, the dispatch model that replaces the watch loop. The 4 key dance that runs 5 Claudes from one screen. And the one command that lets Claude finish a goal while you sleep. Comment agent view for the playbook. Here is the shift. Yesterday, you were a developer who ran agents. Prompt, watch, approve. That is babysitting. Today, you are an operator who dispatches them. 5 Claudes, 5 jobs. You go back to coding. The dashboard pings you when one needs a decision. Same Claude code. Completely different posture. Dispatch. Ignore. Decide. Ship. That is the only loop that scales. Mechanic 1, the operator loop. 4 keys. From any shell Claude agents. One screen, every session. Each row shows a state. Working, needs input, idle, completed, failed, stopped. 6 states, one glance. Space peaks at the latest turn. Reply inline if it is small. Enter attaches to the full transcript. Left arrow back to the dashboard. Space. Enter. Left. That is the operator loop. 10 terminal tabs replaced with one screen. Mechanic 2, the 5 agent playbook. Slot 1, review while build. One Claude refactors, a second Claude reviews its PR. Slot 2, doc scraper, write you a cheat sheet. Slot 3, test sweep, catch the flake. Slot 4, the long runner. 8-hour migration. Background it. Slot 5, 2-track architect. One Claude argues option A. Another argues option B, you decide. To dispatch /bg backgrounds a session. Or Claude space dash dash bg launches one fresh. Every parallel agent runs in its own worktree. 0 merge conflicts. 5 agents, one screen. Mechanic 3 / goal. The one most people missed. /goal is not a prompt. It is an objective. You write /goal quote migrate auth to the new design system tests passing close quote and Claude loops. Writes, tests, fixes, reruns until done. You set the budget dash dash turns 20 dash dash tokens 500k dash dash time 30 minutes. Then you walk away. Here is the kill shot. When /goal thinks it is done, a second Claude session audits the repo to confirm the goal was actually achieved. Claude grades Claude. You set the goal. Claude did the rest. That is what stop babysitting your agents means. 90% of you watching haven't subscribed yet. On Facebook, it is supporter. On YouTube, it is just free. One click. It tells the algorithm to send you more videos like this one. If this helped, please subscribe and support the channel. And comment agent view below for the agent view playbook. PDF. Every command. 6 states. 4-key navigation. 5 parallel agent recipes. /goal budgets. Supervisor Claude Flow. 1 PDF. Free. Subscribe early. Win early.